PRTG Network Monitor. As an IT professional in healthcare, you not only have traditional IT infrastructure, but also specialized healthcare devices, applications, and tools. And of course, you need to make sure it's all working to prevent downtime, nervous users, your angry boss, or even critical situations for patients. Now, maybe you already know Paessler, and if you do, you know that there are two things we are passionate about: comprehensive monitoring and making the lives of IT professionals easier. So how does this passion help you with monitoring healthcare infrastructure? Let's take a look at our flagship product, PRTG Network Monitor. PRTG gives you more control over your entire IT and healthcare environment through a central monitoring overview. PRTG is an agentless, all-in-one monitoring application, and it uses standard protocols like SNMP, WMI, as well as medical industry standards like DICOM and HL7 to gather data from the entire infrastructure. Features like remote site monitoring with encrypted connections or software-based sensors for systems like HIS, RIS, LIMS, and PACS are already included without additional plugins or add-ons. It sends you notifications directly to your phone, and there's also an Android and iOS app, so you don't actually have to be on premises to be in the know. Installation and initial configuration, it's a matter of only a few minutes. The auto discovery with hundreds of ready-to-use pre-configured sensors helps you to get started quickly and easily. To visualize your monitoring data, you can create your own dashboards or use one of the predefined maps and share them with your users or management. The built-in reporting feature allows you to quickly identify what resources are being used and to which degree. And everything is included. No hidden costs, fully featured, simple licensing, fair pricing. And if you have questions, you can get support in your own time zone. Hundreds of thousands of sysadmins all over the world use and love PRTG Network Monitor, the intuitive monitoring tool that is really easy to use and doesn't require deep scripting knowledge. So why don't you give it a try and download the 30-day trial and see how our passion for monitoring can help make your life easier. PRTG, monitor your network and keep your medical infrastructure healthy.